This is homework number 2, Math 122, and I'm going to show you a different method for simplifying number 8. In the last video I showed you how to multiply x plus 6 by x minus 3 using the FOIL method. In this video I'll show you how to do it with an area model. Now because I have two terms in this binomial that want to get multiplied by two terms here, I need a 2 by 2 rectangle. So let's draw a nice good sized rectangle and let's make it 2 by 2 or 4 boxes. Now the top side of this rectangle, I'm going to put the first term from my binomial here and the second term from my binomial here. I'm going to put the plus sign back in between them, remembering that they're both positive. Along this edge, I'm going to write the terms for the second binomial. I'm going to put an x here for this term, and now be careful, I'm going to write a negative 3. I'm going to think of this as subtract 3 or a negative 3 for that term, since the minus sign is in front of it. Now, as with any rectangle, sides match. So if this is x long here, this is also x long. This is 6 units long here, then this piece is also 6 units. On this side, we'll have x again. Since this is minus 3 here, which we really couldn't have a rectangle at the side of minus 3, but we're just pretending just for the sake of finding an easy method to do this. Now all I have to do is multiply the sides to find the areas. X times x, x squared. 6 times x, 6x. Negative 3 times positive 6, negative 18. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x. And as usual, when we're using the area model to multiply polynomials, we'll find like terms kitty corner from each other like this. Same variable to the same power. This one's not alike because it's the variable x to a different power. These two can get combined to make 6x and negative 3x will be a positive 3x. There's my x squared. Let's put him in the match. That was a positive 3x, so I'm going to write plus 3x. Oops, here we go. And then finally the minus 18. So just collecting all the terms, adding up all the areas, and these two together made the positive 3x here. Notice I get the same answer I got when I used the FOIL method. The 4 terms in the box here were the 4 terms I got when I multiplied first, outers, inners, and last. And the answer is exactly the same. You choose which method you like best, FOIL or the area model.